This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, move the safety catch release lever to one side and fully open the bonnet. The battery is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Depress the clip and remove the front section of the battery cover. Pull up the rubber weather strip, rotate the fastener 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove the rear section of the cover. Release the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the negative lead. Pull the vent pipe from the side of the battery. Slacken the clamp bolt and with a twisting motion pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Pull the positive lead grommet upwards from the battery box and position the lead to one side. Undo the bolt and remove the battery clamp. Lift the battery from the tray. Take care as the battery is very heavy. Locate the battery in the tray with the negative terminal at the rear. Refit the battery clamp and tighten the retaining bolt securely. Push the positive lead grommets back into their original locations in the battery tray. Locate the positive lead clamp over the battery positive terminal, then push it firmly down and tighten the clamp bolt. Reconnect the negative lead clamp to the battery terminal and tighten the retaining bolt. Push the vent pipe into the side of the battery and reconnect the wiring plug to the negative lead. Apply a smear of petroleum jelly to the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the battery rear cover, then rotate the fastener 90 degrees clockwise to secure it. Press the rubber weather strip down into place. Slide the battery front cover into position, then press down the front edge to engage the clip. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.